This is Daisy. Daisy has had a tough life. She's been abandoned, neglected, and abused. Just 2 years ago, she was homeless and starving to death. That's when we found her. We immediately fell in love with her, and she quickly became part of our family. Daisy is filled with love, joy, and silliness. She loves taking long naps on the couch, invading personal space, rolling in the dirt, cuddling, having her belly rubbed, and eating treats, just as every loving dog does. A few months ago, Daisy was diagnosed with nasal carcinoma, a type of cancer in her snout. It is treatable, and she will begin radiation therapy soon. In total, her treatment will cost upwards of $10,000. We know not everyone is able to help, and we appreciate anyone taking the time to watch this video and share her story. We believe Daisy's best years of her life are ahead of her and are hoping to give her the opportunity to enjoy every moment of the time she has left. It is hard for us to ask for your help, but if you are able, every dollar will count. So if you can, please do it for Daisy. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Daisy thanks you too.